Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to go through the next step in building your website. You are going to want to purchase your own hosting account, and that's a fairly simple process. I'm going to show you two companies that a number of internet marketers use. However, you can use whatever company that you feel most comfortable with, but these are two companies that probably the bulk of internet marketers are going to be using in one way or another. Now you are going to see a number of marketers using HostGator, and it's fairly simple to get an account started. You're just going to go ahead and sign up for an account, and if you're only going to have one website, you can always come back and expand. There's no need to go and get reseller or VPS or any of those things yet until you have more websites. And when you get started, you can just go ahead and get your basic hosting account from HostGator. A number of marketers will also use Bluehost. The prices are comparable. You might be tempted to use someplace like GoDaddy or Namecheap because you got your domain names there, but it's recommended that you use a different company for your domain name that you do for your hosting. So that is why we are showing you both HostGator and Bluehost as opposed to the other two companies, GoDaddy and Namecheap, both of which will sell hosting. But again, make sure that if you possibly can, use a different company for your hosting and for your website, because when there's a problem, you want to be able to isolate that problem, and it's easier to isolate the problem when you have those two sources in different places. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.